Hey everybody, it's Mike coming to you from the Vought RV display right here at the Tarrant County RV Show in downtown Fort Worth. We're here 4 days, Thursday through Sunday. I hope you can come out and join us. We got a bunch of neat stuff to show off, and I hope you can come check it out. If you're looking for something super lightweight and compact, check out the J-Feather Micro. This is a neat little bunkhouse unit, or perhaps you want a little more elbow room. We have a J-Flight 264BH that sleeps 8 to 9 people. Hey, if you've ever wondered what it's like to be inside of a leisure travel van, we've got one right here. And yes, it's a leisure wonder. Hey, maybe your tastes are a little bit larger. How about this bus? This is an Allegro Bus 45 FP. It's got everything you can imagine. Come check it out. How about this? An Airstream Tommy Bahama Special Edition Class B travel van. Absolutely gorgeous. We'll be here all weekend, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Again, this is Mike coming to you from the Tarrant County Convention Center. Come and join us.